Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can convert or switch from your personal account on the Pinterest to the business account. See here, I just browsed through pinterest.com on my Chrome browser. This is the home page and I assume you already logged in. See here, I already logged in. At the right top corner you'll see your profile picture and a drop down to click on. So you need to click on this and click on your profile picture so that you'll enter into your profile. Sorry, at right beside this drop down you'll see this convert to business here. Click on this and upgrade to a free business account. It is saying like to switch between from personal to business, it is absolutely free. So grow your business brand with tools like ads, analytics, content, profile and follows will stay the same. Okay, I'll click on upgrade now. Describe your business. So if you have a website you can just check this. If you are a content creator you can check this. So basically I'm doing this and click on next. And business name, I'll give my website name. Actually I have a website, so I'll be just giving my website and I'll copy the URL. If not, this is not mandatory. Okay, I'll just copy this. If you don't have a website you can click on this. What are your business goals? Increase online sales. What is your focus? Health and fitness, travel, whatever, whichever suits your niche, you can give that and click on next. That's it. Where would you like to claim your website, showcase your brand? That's it. Sharing home decor items which I feel worth sharing. Okay. So I'll be saving this. You can keep your profile picture here. So from now on, whatever the content I post on the Pinterest, I can get the analytics data as I switch from this personal account to this professional account or the business account, you can say. Okay, business hierarchy. You can actually give the ads. Say for example, if you have posted something which is related to your business, you can actually promote that on this what is this, Pinterest. Okay, so this is easy. Just within a minute you can actually switch between your personal Pinterest and your professional business Pinterest account. Yeah, if you do have any other question you can just ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.